Hi everybody, Ms. Mary with another fun virtual story time from Midpoint Libraries. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you're ready for a story, wave hello. If you're ready for a story, wave hello. If you're ready for a story and you want us all to know, if you're ready for a story, wave hello. You know, every single time I do this, I say the same thing. I say, welcome back to another virtual story time. Do you know what virtual means? That means not right here, right now. See, you're watching this right now, but I recorded this a while ago. If we were in the same place at the same time, we'd just call it story time. But because we're in different places and you're watching me on a screen, that's what makes it a virtual story time. So that's your new word for today. I thought today we could look at books written by one person. And today we're going to look at books written by a lady named Lucy Cousins. All right. Now you probably know Lucy Cousins' books because Lucy Cousins wrote Maisy. So if you've read Maisy books, then you know about the words and pictures of Lucy Cousins. So this one is called Maisy Gets a Pet. And it was written and illustrated by Lucy Cousins and published by Candlewick Press. Here we go. Maisy is visiting her friend Penguin today. Penguin's cat has had 4 kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, up there on the table. The kittens are very small, explains Penguin, so we need to be very gentle with them. Maisy loves watching them as they jump and play. The little black kitten climbs into Maisy's lap. When Maisy strokes her, she gives a great big purr. Would you like to take a kitten home? Penguin asks. Which kitten should Maisy choose? The bouncy orange kitten is very playful. The gray striped kitten is so brave. The fluffy spotted kitten is very soft. But the little black kitten is Maisy's favorite. Penguin gives Maisy a special carrier for the kitten. They put in newspaper, a blanket, and some toys for the journey. I'm going to call her Little Black Cat, says Maisy. At first, Little Black Cat is scared of being someplace new without her mommy. You know, I think that a lot of people feel that way when you go someplace new and you don't have your grown-up with you. That can be scary. But let's learn about what Maisy does to help Little Black Cat. Maisy waits very quietly. Slowly, the kitten comes out to see her new home. Looking after a pet is lots of work. Maisy feeds Little Black Cat and gives her fresh water every day. She cleans up the litter box. Do you know what that is? That's where the cat poops. And Maisy gets a scratching post for the kitten's claws. Little Black Cat is growing very fast, so she needs lots of sleep. She naps in some very strange places. Where is she now? Do you see Little Black Cat? Up here in the laundry basket. You know what? My black cat likes to sleep in the laundry basket too. Maisy plays many games with Little Black Cat. They love to chase things and explore new places together. It's good exercise for Little Black Cat and for Maisy too. Soon, it's time for little black cat to visit Dr. Furgood, the vet. They weigh her and give her special medicine to keep her healthy. What a lovely, friendly cat, Dr. Furgood says. Maisy's friends come to visit. They're very excited to meet Maisy's new pet. After a long day of playing, it's time to go to bed. Maisy gives little black cat a big kiss and cuddle goodnight, then settles her down in a cozy basket to sleep. Sweet dreams, Maisy. Sweet dreams, little black cat. Did that little black cat stay in the basket? No, that cat's up here on the bed. You know, my cat does that too. We always think that kitty is gonna sleep in the basket, but nope. Almost every morning I wake up and there's that cat on my feet. Just kind of nice, it keeps my toes warm. So one of the things that I like about Maisy books that are written by Lucy Cousins is all the different animals that are in there. So I was thinking we could sing a song about animals, and it's a song that I know you know, and it involves animals and animal sounds and farm animals. You know, don't you? I want you to sing with me, okay? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cat. E-I-E-I-O, what does the cat say? With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I'll tell you what, we're gonna read some more story, but you could sing that song some more and come up with all the animals you can think of and make all their sounds. Maybe you could sing that song with a cow in it. What sound does a cow make? That's right. Moo. Or a horse. What sound does a horse make? No. You can have a good time. And you know, it doesn't have to be farm animals. You could have any kind of animals, you know. You have a good time with that one. But in the meantime, we're going to visit another Lucy Cousins book. This one is called Splish, Splash, Ducky. And of course, it was written and illustrated by Lucy Cousins and published by Candlewick Press. Hello, I am Ducky Duckling. And when I'm feeling happy, I say, quack, quack, quack. Oh, goody hooray, it's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Can you make that sound? We'll do it together in a moment. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Let's make our duck sound. Quack, quack, quack. Good. I like to squirm with wriggly worm. Duck sound. Quack, quack, quack. That's a pretty cool looking worm, isn't it? Yeah. I like that. I think I could probably draw a worm. You think you could? We'll talk about that in a minute. A hug for bug and a hug for slug. There's a bug, there's a slug. And what does the duckling say? Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splish, splash, splish. I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak. Hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips. No more drops. No more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go to see my dad. And here's Dad. Cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. I think we should count the butterflies. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. And Dad says, we'll quack together whatever the weather. Hop on my back and, let me hear everybody, quack, quack, quack. That is called Splish, Splash, Ducky, again by Lucy Cousins. So I want to thank you so much for joining me for stories today. Gosh, I have so much fun reading books with you all. It's wonderful. I want to encourage you to visit the library if you feel comfortable doing so. And if not, hey, we've got lots of fun programming like this and other good videos. Take a look at all of them. I think that our fun thing today we should do is, can you walk like a duck? It's called waddling. To waddle is to walk like a duck. Do you know how a duck walks? Get this. A duck walks on 2 feet like you do, but usually when a duck walks, its tail goes back and forth and back and forth. So if you can walk and wiggle your behind, wiggle your bottom, then you'd be walking like a duck. I think that'd be pretty fun. In fact, I think I'm going to do that for the rest of the day today. I'm going to walk like a duck. All right. Next week is National Library Week. So next week our stories will be about libraries. Pretty cool, huh? Well, thanks again for sharing stories and songs with me today. Let's sing our goodbye song. Lots of animals in it. No ducks. But that's okay. We'll see if we can squeeze in some quacks. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug. Blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. Wave goodbye, butterfly. Quack, quack, quack. Bye-bye, everybody.